This programme is delivered in a blended format, so there are classes delivered online in the evenings during the week, and then 2 Saturdays throughout the course the students will come on campus for in-person teaching. So this course will equip students with knowledge and hand-on skills to work safely and effectively on hybrid and electric vehicles. It covers electric drivetrains, energy storage systems, diagnostics, automotive safety systems. It blends theory and practice through workshop-based training, and it aligns with industry standards in diagnostics and servicing of EV systems. And it's important to note, it's not just purely electric systems and electric vehicles, it's also hybrid vehicles, which is a huge part of our market in Ireland. It will prepare learners for immediate entry into the EV maintenance, the repair and the servicing trades of our EV sector. This course is delivered in a blended format, so typically students can expect to learn between 4 and 6 hours per week online in the evenings for theoretical aspects of the course, and then 2 Saturdays on campus throughout the terms of the course as well. It is important to note that students would be expected to focus and learn for about 4 to 5 hours per week in terms of independent learning for this course. Persons who might be interested in studying this course would include automotive technicians who are seeking EV qualifications, professionals working in motor dealerships or independent garages, or individuals with mechanical or electrical backgrounds that wish to transition into a career in the EV sector. Potential career opportunities from this course would include jobs such as EV service technician, hybrid service diagnostic specialists, or motor dealership EV technicians. So there's a very strong practical focus in this course through our real workshop scenarios and our fault diagnostics. It's been developed in response to the growing national and EU demand for high voltage EV skills. These skills are applicable across multiple sectors, not just the electric vehicle sector, but across all sectors that are seeking to incorporate more electrification within their processes.